Welcome back to the Mortgage and Marketing Update. I'm Brian DeMarie. I'm a loan originator with Union Home Mortgage and the DeMarie lending team. Little info on refinances. They are up 8% week over week, 50% year over year, and they are now currently 65% of the mortgage market, up from 63% from last week. What does that mean for you? It means that if you're not using Lily and I, that your loan originator and their company and their underwriting departments could be struggling to get your loans to a closing, or everything could be backed up because they're working on all these refinances. Luckily, our company has outsourced all of the processing for this, and nothing has skipped a beat with us at all. We can close all of your deals on time. Purchases are down 2% nationally, but this is almost nothing compared to where the market is at this point. So the media is making this story important. It's important that you hear this because we need to control the narrative of this story, because the media is telling the public that the market is beginning to slow down because of the affordability. Now, what's happening is that median prices are up 2%, and the media is telling the public that this is the reason for this big slowdown. Truth be told is that the median home price is up simply because people are just buying more expensive homes. And this is a sign of strength in our marketplace. And remember, it's up to us to control this narrative, because people are moving from out of state, they're moving from in-state as well, and they may have different stories coming from other places, different markets. We need to let them know, compared to your market, this is what ours is doing, and ours is really strong. So with this increase in wages, this has created one of the strongest purchasing markets in recent history. So remember, people don't use 100% of their income for their housing expenses. So right when we have a 5% increase in weekly wages, this can lead to another 15 to 20% appreciation in the marketplace, which is why the marketplace is so affordable, and it's up to us to let the public know this. So there's a new company out and about. It's called Picasso, kind of like Picasso, but with an A. This is the former CEO of Zillow and one of his partners. They got together and imagined that timeshares, commercial leases, and Airbnbs came together and had some weird child where they were helping people buy second homes through fractional ownership, only as a second home, and they can own up to 12.5% up to 50% of the property. So the buyer will go into the marketplace, find a property that they like, or one that they've already have under contract, or have under ownership, and then they will show this house to Picasso, and they will decide on whether or not they want to move forward with the purchase. And if they do, they can help them out with their own lending. It's not that we can do the mortgages on it. They have their own lending partner there. And they've got a lot of backing from venture capitalists, Howard Schultz being one of them. Howard Schultz is the founder of Starbucks. And so this company is active in multiple markets across the country, including Sarasota, Orlando, and Miami. So if you have a listing that's kind of like a vacation rental, maybe not a bad idea to bring it to them, see it if they'd be interested in buying that house from you guys. By the way, I'm 203 pounds today, getting a little bit lighter day by day. Next Tuesday at 12 o'clock on Zoom, I'm going to be doing the How to Read a CD class. So just in case your buyer ever brings this document to you, you can know what all these numbers mean. It's 5 pages long. You're going to want to take a look at this. You don't want to be sitting there with your buyer looking at it for the first time with them. All of these videos are backed up on YouTube. Feel free to subscribe to the channel so you can go see what some of the other ones look like. Go to lilydemarie.com for more resources. We are on Instagram as well, my favorite platform. You guys know this by now. And